Welcome to the Next Gen AI channel. Today, we will explore how to use a Python tool for automatically answering questions on Quora. First, you're probably familiar with the Quora platform. It helps people find answers to their questions and solve their problems. By contributing, you gain attention and can subtly include your marketing links. I'll show you how I use the tool to create automated responses with chat. After using this tool, the number of views was remarkably high. Initially, the views were few, just a handful. But then, it reached an impressive 1,521 views. This is a new account of mine, as you can see. All posts were made within an hour and are detailed and carefully crafted. Here, for example, is a notebook showing responses that got dozens to hundreds of views. Each post is meticulously crafted. In my tool, I create an Excel file listing all questions based on keywords and audience interest. I also include products for marketing in my answers. Now, I'll run the code for automated responses. It automatically opens a new tab, goes to the search function to find questions, selects the first question, and clicks on the answer section. After answering, it posts quickly. This process continues, answering many questions in a short time. Check the status part. You'll see the questions have been answered. You can add your marketing links to the answers. But don't spam, or you'll violate Quora's policies. And this is the initial account I wanted to show you. You can see the number of views and interest has significantly increased after using the tool. And that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want notifications for new content.